Once upon a time there lived a wise old monk high up in the mountains. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and his ability to see through anything. People would travel from distant places to seek solution to their problems. Everyone believed that he could answer any question in the world. Down in the nearby village lived two mischievous boys. They loved playing tricks on people and would often laugh when others fell for their pranks. One day the boys decided to trick the monk. They wanted to prove that even the wisest man could be fooled. So they came up with a clever plan. They caught a small sparrow and one of them held it tightly in his hands. Their plan was simple. They would ask the monk whether the bird was alive or dead. And if the monk said it was alive, they would crush it and prove him wrong. And if he said it was dead, they would let it fly away and again prove him wrong. Smirking at their idea, the boys climbed up the mountain and approached the monk. "Sir," one of them said, "people say that you know everything. Let us see if that's true." Then hiding both hands behind his back, he asked, "Can you tell me in which hand I am holding something?" The monk calmly replied, "In your right hand." The boy brought his hand forward and smiled and then said, "That's correct. Now tell me what is in my hand." The monk looked at him calmly and, "Alright, buckle up, buttercups. Get this, picture two mischievous lads, thinking they're so clever, right? They corner a monk, ready to spring their trap. One triumphantly said, 'A bird.' The boys grinned like they'd just won the lottery. Then boom, here comes the zinger. Is it dead or alive? The monk, cool as a cucumber, locks eyes with M, smiles like he knows something they don't, and drops this philosophical bomb. As you would have it, my boys. Silence. Their smugness? Gone. Their plan? Busted. The point? That line. As you would have it. It's not just some monk why mumbo jumbo. It's a straight up truth bomb. We're all the architects of our own lives. Just like that bird in their grubby little hands, the outcome of everything? It's all on US. Boom. Hold on to your hats, folks. Exploding head. Ever catch yourself blaming the universe for your bad hair day? We've all been there, pointing fingers at fate, other people, even the grumpy barista for our woes. But guess what? The real plot twist is, a massive chunk of our joy, our victories, and, yes, even our stumbles comes down to you. Sparkles, we're not just furry little instinct-driven critters, oh no. We're walking, talking through stories, armed with the power to mull things over, make choices and design our own destiny. While Fido's living that, eat, sleep, repeat, life, we're blessed with awareness, wisdom, and the wild card, free will. So, buckle up, buttercup, because every single thought is a brick in the road to your future. Rocket. Alright, folks, buckle up. Life throws you curveballs, pain, failure, the works. But guess what? You've got two choices. Two. Option A, turn that mess into rocket fuel, blast off, and become a legend. Or, option B, you let it crush you like a bug. Remember that monk and the bird? It's all about your choice. We can't control the universe, but we sure can control our reaction, our thoughts, our entire damn future. So next time life gets spicy, remember, you're holding the bird, baby. Your life, your call.